Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video expecting to have an interesting watch only to be disappointed after watching the video? I know the reason why. First is the thumbnail, second is the title, and in this video I'll be addressing the issue of the thumbnail. If you're a new YouTuber and you're trying to find your way around creating thumbnails or understanding the effects or importance of thumbnail on your videos, then you need to stick around this video. And if you are a regular YouTuber, you just want to be creative about your thumbnails or do something new, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping again. If you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscription button and the notification bell so as to get notified each time I have a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make creative and beautiful thumbnails. This is like a beginner edition for thumbnail creation for new YouTubers and for those that are trying to understand this thumbnail thing. At first, I just felt like, okay, thumbnails are a cover photo you just attach to your videos, that's all. But there's more to it. Thumbnails could get you views you never imagined. Thumbnails could take you to that level of growth you desire on your YouTube or in your YouTube journey. So stick around this video and let's get right into it. Again, I'll be using the Capcut app to show you this. It is very simple and easy. Like I said earlier, it's like a beginner friendly process. So as you proceed or progress on your journey as a YouTuber, you get to discover a lot of thumbnail creation softwares or apps or just creative ways on how to make outstanding thumbnails for your videos. I'll be making use of the Capcut app to take you through this process. Trust me, Capcut is so easy to work with and understand. There are other ways, a lot of ways to actually create amazing, beautiful, sophisticated thumbnails for your YouTube videos. But for this video, let's use the app Capcut. Usually I get my background pictures from the AI website, which is the Leonardo AI, but if you feel it's too stressful, then you can actually get them from Capcut app or Google random pictures from the internet and use them. After all, you're going to blur the pictures at the end of the day. Regardless, I'll be using the three for you to see and understand and make your choice, okay? So let's begin by getting the pictures we would use for the thumbnail. From the CapCut app, click on text to image and it will show you a variety of pictures. I didn't like this ones and I decided to type the specific description that I want, and it still brought out some images that I really do not like. This is not plain and I needed something plain. But then when I attempted to search further, this is what it showed me. Too many people are generating images. So I decided to go on Google to the Leonardo AI website to get pictures. And remember I said you could get pictures from this website or from the CapCut itself or from Google. So I typed a plain background, a beautiful plain background, and I generated some images, but I didn't like them. This takes a bit of time. These are the images it showed me, so I cancelled it again and typed another one because I needed something plain without pattern or design of any kind. And this is it taking some time to open. And here again, another set of pictures with pattern. Okay, I finally got this without pattern and I clicked on download. I saved it. I went down a bit, but it seemed that was the only one. So I left Leonardo AI website and went to Google to type random plain pictures to see if I can get other colors, and I got something that I could work with. So I decided to save a few, download and save some plain background pictures. Yes, I saved about 2. and went back to the CapCut app to start editing. So you go to your photos, click on the one you want to use and drag it to the editing platform. Then you click on overlay to add your picture, and you go to the picture you would want to use for the thumbnail. So I picked the picture. I specifically snapped this for the thumbnail. So after that, click on remove background, and it will give you the option of automatic removal or custom. I clicked on automatic removal, guys. This is what I got. This could be funny at times, so you have to use plain background to take these videos or pictures, so it doesn't have glitch of any sort. So I really needed that picture to use, but it was cutting off my hand, so I thought of several things to do to rectify that. It didn't work. I picked another picture. It still wasn't totally clear. I tried to clean it with custom removal method. It didn't clear, so I thought of another thing to do, and I really wanted to use that picture for the thumbnail. So I thought of another thing. I said, okay, let me pick another background, as that may align with my picture, but I got it all wrong. And that's how editing works. You have to keep trying, keep adjusting, keep changing until you are finally satisfied. Well, that's my case right now. I tried to look for another picture, but no, this picture goes with the video. So I really wanted to use it. But then this is happening, and I said, okay, I need to think of something fast because I had no time to take another picture for the thumbnail. I decided to use custom removal to clear it, but that didn't work also. So I needed to think of something fast, of course. I said, okay, I decided to drag the image, and I thought that, okay, I could actually do without this finger and pointing at the top. So let me do something. I dragged the image to the left and made it look like there was never a finger pointing at the top. And I'm glad my improvisation worked. So I went down to put on text on the picture, type in your title or the heading of the thumbnail. Make sure it's catchy and short so it doesn't look bulky or clumsy for people to read and be attracted to. And I got this. So this is me trying to change the font, trying to put up some settings just to get something beautiful, large, readable, and attractive. So I explored different fonts to see the one I like most, and I picked one, and I went on to use other features on the write-ups like the background, shadow, stroke, glow. You will see all of this while editing, and it's always good to explore and try and see how beautiful your write-ups can be with all of these features. That's one thing with CapCut. It has so many features that make one's video amazing and makes editing fun. So I decided to pick this one. I'm trying to position the picture and the write-up so they don't clash or they don't look untidy. And this is me still trying to create space within the write-ups and position them. And finally, I got the perfect position, the perfect color, and the perfect font that I like on this thumbnail. And at this point, I was cool and wanted to save the picture, but I needed to be sure that it's in the right ratio, as YouTube videos are in landscape form and the thumbnail needs to align with the video. So I got it set and I screenshot and cropped, and here we are. I decided to try out another thumbnail again without a picture, and I did the same thing as the other one. The difference is that there's no picture on this one, just write up. And this didn't take time. I finished up, screenshot, cropped, and saved. Now let's go to the gallery and compare the two thumbnails. So here's the one without picture and the one with picture. And that's it, guys. I believe that was super easy and fast, right? If you never gave attention to your thumbnails before now, then I think it's time to wake up and do the needful. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't. Also share and comment. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye.